Hi, I'm Dara, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to extend the capabilities of FlexLogger using Labview-made plugins. So a plugin is a reusable block of analysis code built in Labview that runs directly in FlexLogger and allows you to go beyond raw data and extract meaningful metrics. So for this example, I want to convert the tachometer signal into RPM. So what I'm going to do is just run the fan so that we can see the tachometer signal. So I'm going to go ahead and go up on the slider. And now I'm just going to pause the signal and use the horizontal zoom to see that the tachometer signal is a square wave with around 2 pulses per revolution. And now I'm going to go ahead and create a tachometer RPM channel using the Analog Tachometer plugin that we have created. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Channel Specifications tab, and I'm going to click Add Channels, Plugin, and then Analog Tachometer. So this is a plugin that an engineer here and I created specifically for this exercise. However, we have many free plugins available on FlexLogger for FlexLogger on the GitHub, as well as you can make your own plugin using Labview. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, and I want to rename this channel as Tachometer RPM. And I want to configure it, which would be on the right-hand side, which is a little different from the other channels on FlexLogger. So I'm going to click Configure, and I want to change the pulses per revolution to 2, the threshold to 1, and then I believe the rest of the settings should be the same, and I'm going to select the TAC out channel, and I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now I want to add this channel onto the screen tab using a tachometer gauge. So I'm going to go back to the screen tab, and I'm going to search up tachometer, and I'm going to add that here. And I want to click the plugin channel that we just created. So I'm going to click the tachometer RPM, and I'll just make it a little bigger so it's easier to see, and make the words bigger and bring it into the center. Now I want to also change the settings of the tachometer gauge to the maximum of 5,000. And now we can see real-time feedback based on the fan and in the tachometer, and we can see the RPM readings. And I can start the test. And so now logging has begun, and based on what I have my fan on, it will begin logging the RPM of the tachometer. So this provides a real-time, intuitive way to view the motor speed directly onto the interface. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Stop for the project, and since we have completed it. In this video, we built a FlexLogger project to test our new fan. You could also take it a step further by adding any alarms or events to customize this project. In the next video, we'll be focusing on automating this with Labview.